day 12 of my son being in the NICU. It's November 17th, 2021, and I'm headed there to Rockville, Piedmont right now. I'll be there in about 7 minutes. So, we are day 12 in the NICU. He had some good rest. He was doing a good job. Like, that could be, he's doing a good job. And he took most of his bottle today, so he doesn't need a supplement. Good. And he didn't need one last night either, which was really good. So now he's just sleeping. I think he's pooping as well. That's why he's making that face. But anyway, we just did some scripture reading and we listened to some jazz music. And at 10:45, we're gonna do some pumping. Bye. You trying to eat? The night of November 17th, 2021. You trying to eat? This is him. I don't want to cry anymore. At this point, I had to let it out. I have been crying every day, although I wasn't recording my true feelings. It needed to come out. I just realized that I gotta be patient. And that he's still developing. That when he came out early, he wasn't fully developed. That's why he has to have the tube. But I can't rush him. When he's ready, he will start eating every 3 hours with the bottle. And I just pray that God continues to give me the milk supply needed, because I don't want him to use any formula. So this is me just realizing that he has to develop, and he is, and I can't be rushing and being impatient, because it's not easy coming up here every morning and every night, because I want to make sure he knows me, and I want to make sure I see his growth, and I don't want to miss out on it as his mother. It's hard. It is really challenging. Trying to split my time between Bentley and Blake and James in the house. It is challenging.